Hey there, fellow plant lovers and curious minds. Today, I'm thrilled to talk about a green companion that's not just easy on the eyes but also an absolute blessing for homes. Snake plants, scientifically called Sansevieria, are common indoor plants that carry a plethora of benefits. Know why you should have snake plants at home if you don't already have one. 1. Air purifier. They remove toxins such as formaldehyde from the air, thus creating a healthy indoor environment. 2. Oxygen producer. In the daytime, snake plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. 3. Low maintenance. They can survive on low water and light. They can also bear floods and droughts. That's why they are so popular in urban areas. 4. Humidity regulators. Snake plants are pro at regulating indoor humidity levels. They release moisture via their leaves, which balances the indoor environment. 5. Visually pleasing. The upright and sword-shaped leaves of snake plants add an elegant touch to a home or office decor. 6. Improved mental health. Snake plants have been known to have a calming effect. Their intense green color is soothing to the eyes. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.